In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make $300 per day if you're dead freaking broke and have $0 to your name as soon as today. Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire-ass video. Currently here in the condo in Serbia, in Europe. First stop in the Euro tour. Now, if this is your first time coming across me, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I'm a serial digital entrepreneur. I travel the world full time, and simply because I make money online. So I create content on the daily basis to give you ideas to help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Walk away from that 9 to 5. And this one today, guys, is very exciting. If you guys want to learn how to easily make $300 per day, this is going to be the video for you. So make sure you guys watch all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make $300 per day if you're dead broke, if you have $0 to your freaking name. Now, before we actually get into this story, not the story, but how you guys can actually leverage this business model to make so much money, but I want to go ahead and give you guys a backstory. But before we do, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell right freaking now, right, to join the family, because guys, I create videos like this all the time, and you want to make sure you guys get access, first-hand access to these videos, right? So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell right now, and my number one recommendation to make money online will actually be the first link in the description. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the business, right? Now, first and foremost, before I actually show you guys this method, I want to go ahead and tell you guys a story to show you guys that this actually works, right? Now, before I lived this dream lifestyle, and I've been traveling the world and everything of that nature, right? I was actually on the verge of, well, not on the verge of, but I was actually homeless, right? But I actually got myself out of that crappy situation. But I was on the verge of being homeless again, right? I was actually in Australia, and I thought to myself, right, holy crap, I have 1 week left. I have $179 in my bank account. I have no idea how I'm gonna go ahead and get through this, but I'm hungry, I'm motivated, and I will do whatever it takes to make money, right? Period, as long as it's ethical and legal, right? And basically what I did was I was like, okay, look, I'm really good at sales, right? What can I sell that I can make money really fast, right? And what happened was I was like, okay, I wrote up a pitch, and the next day I went out there. I had no job, I had no money, I was dead freaking broke, and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna figure this out. I'm gonna find something to sell, and I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get paid to do it, right? So I wrote up a pitch, and then I started going business to business. And once I started going business to business, I was telling people, look, you guys are a business, you guys haven't gotten into social media yet. Are you freaking kidding me? I'm young, everybody else is young, is into social media, and number two, everybody who's growing older, who's gonna be your future clients, are on social media. You need to get on social media. I can help you, right? I'm young, I'm innovative, I can help you guys get into the social media space, blah, 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 blah. And then what happened was, I got my first social media client, and they paid me a whopping $1,500 to go ahead and run their social media and run a little bit of advertisement for the social media, right? Now, long story short, basically what that $1,500 did for me is it freaking took me out of like being dead broke and homeless, and that saved my freaking life, right? And it was all because I was freaking hungry and I was hustling. I didn't know how I was gonna go ahead and deliver this product to these people at all. I had no idea. I said, I don't know how I'm gonna make this happen, but I need to sell something, and I need to sell something fast, because if I don't, I'm gonna be dead freaking broke. So to show you guys that what I'm about to go over with you guys works, guys, I'm a living testament. Like, I wouldn't be here in Europe today if I never would have got off my feet at that time of desperation, right? And it saved me. With this business model, I was able to stack up enough money to actually invest into what I really wanted to do, which is